Hey everybody, Maddie here with Altcoin Buzz. Happy Tuesday. Hope you're having a great one so far. Okay, so we are discussing oracles today and how they represent the path to real decentralization. You may be familiar with certain names in this space. We've certainly talked about them before. Chainlink, iExec, Tellor, Zap. We'll break all of that down. We'll also look at Crypto.com. They have some updates in the news. They also have a $2 million allocation on the Syndicate to help you build up your Bitcoin position. That'll be 50% off on the 8th of September. Binance-Backed Swipe is in the news. They have partnered with Kava to foster USDX DeFi ecosystem. And then one of our sponsors, AAX, is having a big sale. They aim to bridge, as you probably know, crypto and global finance, at least the traditional realm and sector of global finance. All that and more, guys. If you like this kind of content, be sure to like and subscribe. Bitcoin, blockchain, and cryptocurrency, that is our jam. It's what we talk about pretty much every day. Let's start things off with a look at the markets here. We're on CoinGecko.com. We're up a little bit, up 2.2% right now overall. The market sits at $393 billion. As you can see, projects are up a couple of percentage points or so. Chainlink did, retrace a little bit. They happen to be down right now 10.2% on the day, but other projects generally up a couple of percentage points. Bitcoin above 12K. I'm happy to report it's been so many days now consecutively where I say Bitcoin's been trading between that 11 and 12K range. First, kind of in that lower range, then the middle, then the higher end, and now finally we've surpassed that next psychological barrier, that next point of resistance. We've blasted past 12K. So Bitcoin up 3.3% in these last 24 hours, sitting right now at $12,243 with a dominance that's still somewhat low. It was higher. I saw it as high as 59%, but now Bitcoin's dominance sits at 57.5%. Here now on DAppRadar.com, we are discussing oracles and how they represent the real path to decentralization. Here's the important thing. There is no DeFi or decentralized finance without trustworthy data, and oracles are the gatekeepers of that data. So a little bit of context here. Decentralization is a foundational principle in the blockchain-supported economy. Every industry name is getting a capital D in front of it, DeFi being the prime example. However, while the user-facing side of the application may appear decentralized, the back end may be hiding an inconvenient truth. Key data that triggers smart contract events could be coming from a centralized source, thereby reducing the decentralization to merely a marketing moniker. If you're not at all familiar with oracles, they help dApps or decentralized applications communicate with the outside world. dApps utilize smart contracts, which are essentially sets of directions that are executed upon different triggers. And data incoming from the outside world, such as asset prices, for example, can act as a trigger. As of right now, there are a few players in this space. No doubt more are entering, but at the moment, CHILIZ and Chainlink appear to be the leaders in Oracle services for the decentralized ecosystem. CHILIZ offers a centralized solution that utilizes authenticity proofs to ensure data integrity, and Chainlink uses a network of nodes and economic incentives and reputational filters to provide data inputs and applications. We've probably talked much more about Chainlink on this channel in the past, so you can take a deeper dive here into an explanation of both. But the point is that there are a wealth of players and more are coming into the space. So the author continues, there is no shortage of projects looking to get in on the action. Naturally, big brand players like Microsoft and Coinbase have shown interest. Microsoft announced its confidential consortium blockchain framework back in 2017, but has been relatively quiet ever since. And Coinbase, on the other hand, is a recent entrant looking to capitalize on its brand recognition in the cryptocurrency space, and why not? One of our favorite projects in the space, and one that we've been praising now for months, and during that time we've watched the price shoot up maybe 10 or 15 times, and a very noteworthy one is Band Protocol. They very recently launched on Cosmos, and while the project's market cap is small compared to that of Chainlink, the move may be a piece of a larger trend. Don't forget though, guys, this article was written back in June. A lot has changed since that time, and Band Protocol, at least to a certain extent, has benefited from a lot of growth. Much of that growth, all of it in fact, has been merited, and for good reason. In conclusion here, the decentralized ecosystem lives off of data, and as such, oracles will start attracting more and more attention as a vital part of that infrastructure. It's even possible to imagine a future where projects utilize multiple different oracles for redundancy purposes. 2020 so far has been the year of decentralized finance, and this is something that we called early on, even going back to last year, 2019. However, it is important to remember that there is no DeFi without trustworthy data, and oracles are the gatekeepers of that data. Guys, I kind of flew through this article, but take a look at it in full for more detail and for a breakdown, not only of the technology really in terms of conceptually what it's all about, but some of these examples that we have discussed here. We'll link to this as always in the description below. Okay, now we have Crypto.com that is in the news, starting first with an update to their chain CRO. So this tweet from yesterday, the 17th of July. By the way, make sure you're following Cryptocom at Cryptocom on Twitter. So Crypto.com chain development update number 11. Azure one-click deployment, Ledger app open source, Node.js library available on NPM. Technical white paper updates, increase in Tellor testnet validators, and new GitHub activities page. For more updates and in-depth information about that developer update, again, the 11th of its kind, check out the details here. They link to that in this particular tweet. Crypto.com also has this news to share. They tweeted the following: want to build your Bitcoin position at 50% off? Who doesn't? Well, the 8th of September 2020, in less than a month, is your chance. We've allocated $2 million USD to the Syndicate for one day only to mark the day our exchange exits its beta stage. You can sign up here using this link for a chance to win $500 of Bitcoin. You can retweet and like this tweet as well as follow Cryptocom on Twitter. In addition, guys, don't forget all the time, sometimes actually I forget about it, but all the time you have available to you a Crypto.com Visa card, a CRO Visa card. You can sign up using our link below, and if you do so, you get $50 on the house. It is loaded onto that Visa card. You can spend it however you like. $50 is yours to play around with, and you can get a feel for the card. More of a debit card or a charge card than a Visa card, but it's got the best benefits of any card anywhere in the world. All you got to do is use our exclusive Altcoin Buzz code. It is simply AB. The details of that, guys, are pinned in the comments below. Check it out. And here now on btcmanager.com, we have some updates with regard to Binance-Backed Swipe. In fact, Binance-Backed Swipe partners with Kava to foster USDX DeFi ecosystem. So Swipe, if you've not heard of them, we've talked about them once or twice. They're a crypto processor enabling users to spend digital assets like they would fiat money in real time. And on August 13th, they announced their partnership with Kava, a multi-asset open finance platform. The deal that will see the predecessor help grow the USDX DeFi ecosystem ahead of their planned move to the Binance Smart Chain, where they will offer decentralized finance services. Joe Solito, Lisa Rondo, the CEO of Swipe, said this partnership will, quote, continue to push innovative platforms in the market. And Brian Kerr, the CEO of Kava Labs, said USDX is the smartest place modern investors should put their money in. He also said, quote, Swipe is the final piece we need to make Kava's USDX the smartest place to put your money for modern investors. Now you can hold USDX stablecoins, enjoy a 4.5% APY, and spend it freely anywhere with Swipe Visa cards. Why would anyone want a bank account now? And that last part is a pretty poignant question. What is the best interest rate that anywhere in the world with any bank account you could expect to secure? Certainly nowhere near 4.5%. Cryptocurrency is becoming increasingly a very competitive space where people more and more, I'll speak for myself, but I'm seeing the trend as well. People more and more want to leave their money. The accrual rates in this space are better than anything else in the world. Traditional finance cannot compete. Just my opinion, however. Anyways, guys, check out the rest of this article for more details about this partnership. It is one that we are excited about. And finally, here on altcoinbuzz.io, we are discussing the AAB big sale where they're attempting to bridge crypto and global finance. So LSEG tech-powered AAX exchange offers Cryptoverse an opportunity to win AAB in first ever summer flash sale. This article by Deepika. You may have heard of AAX. They're one of our sponsors, the pioneering performance cryptocurrency exchange. They're conducting a 4-round sale event for their native token AAB. And while AAX is on a mission to connect crypto to global finance, AAB offers traders an opportunity to share the growth of the exchange. So the first round of the sale is starting on the 19th of August. A total of 500 AAX exchange clients will get an opportunity to buy 1,000 AAB. And at the time of press, AAB is trading at about 39 cents with a 24 trading hour volume of over $10 million. AAB price is up 9.6% in these last 24 hours, but on the day of the sale, clients would be able to buy these native tokens at a fixed price. This price will be announced 1 hour before the commencement of the sale. You can click here to register for that AAB summer flash sale. AAX really is in the wheelhouse now of world-class cryptocurrency. They're the only digital exchange powered by LSEG technology and the matching engine of LSEG that makes AAX capable of delivering market-leading performance. Moreover, the clients can use the exchange to invest, trade, and reliably manage digital assets. And apart from this, AAX can handle institutional order volumes without at all compromising on performance. AAX holds a special position in the crypto market as it offers innovative financial instruments. And its special indices also enable Bitcoin trading assets against tokenized commodities like gold, oil, coffee, and others. Pivoting now to a discussion of AAB. Well, AAB's demand is directly linked to the performance of AAX, and this is because AAX offers native token holders some very unique benefits. They include the fact that the exchange users can settle up to 100% trading fee with AAB. The users can enjoy a 50% trading fee discount when they pay using AAB. The users can also enjoy discounts on tokens that are to be listed on AAX if they vote for the token using AAB. Access to higher interest rate AAX lending and borrowing products by using AAB. You can unlock special features, tools, bots, signals, and more. You can get a discount on custody services with AAB, and AAB users enjoy higher withdrawal limits as well as access to financial instruments like tokenized commodities, security tokens, and Bitcoin dimensions. Guys, there is more to discuss here, but you can check this out for yourselves if you're interested, as well as a look at the AAX roadmap and upcoming events in the months ahead. There's a lot to look forward to here. However, currently, we want to remind you that the AAX Welcome Bonus Program is now live. You can click here to check it out. It allows traders to claim registration and deposit bonus of up to 55 USD. Furthermore, competitions like 20 Bitcoin prize pool trading and Bitcoin Cash BSV battle and the 0 TC, 0 merchant feeds are currently going on. Check it out for more information. So guys, just make sure this is on your radar. Again, you can click here earlier in the article to register for the AAB Summer Flash Sale, the first round of which is kicking off very soon on the 19th of August. So make sure you're alert, make sure you take advantage of this if you're in a position to do so. It should be a good one. That about wraps it up for today, everybody. Do be sure you're following us on all the regular social media channels and keep checking back into altcoinbuzz.io for all the latest. Go ahead, like, subscribe, share, and hit the bell to receive notifications if you guys enjoyed today's video. Best of luck if you choose to invest on this Tuesday. Stay safe out there, everybody. Have a good one, and as always, we do hope to see you again soon in our next video. Take care.